Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 June 2018, 13 of hour, 09 of minute and 50 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what is a dual sport bike? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what is a dual sport bike. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what is a dual sport bike. A dual sport motorcycle is a type of street legal motorcycle that is designed for both on and off-road use. The terms all-road and off-road dual purpose are also used for this class of motorcycles. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.